Can I ask members to please imagine that you're a Muslim woman or a child and you're reading this? And I emphasise women because there is a clear gender nature to racism and Islamophobia. Punish a Muslim. There will be rewards based on actions taken. Verbally abuse a Muslim, 10 points. Pull the headscarf of a Muslim woman, 25 points. Throw acid in the face of a Muslim, 50 points. Beat up a Muslim, 100 points. Torture a Muslim using electrocution, skinning or the use of a rack, 250 points. Butcher a Muslim using a gun, a knife, a vehicle or otherwise, 500 points. Burn a mosque, 1,000 points. Shocking, shameful and sickening. Will the First Minister and indeed this Parliament send a message to all our diverse communities that this is as much your country as anyone else's, that this is your home and that we stand with you. But we do ask you please to go about your daily lives, but be more vigilant, to look out for each other, and if you see anything or suspect anything, to please report it to the police. And a message to the haters. An attack on one Scot, regardless of faith or race, is an attack on all Scots, and we will never let you win. First Minister.
In some ways, I don't need to add to Anas Sarwar's comments because I think he has captured everything that needs to be said. But just to be very clear that this message comes from me as strongly as it does from anybody else, I'm going to add some comments. In many ways, what Anas Sarwar has just read out there, I find it very difficult to find words that are adequate to describe it or indeed to condemn it. It's sickening, it's appalling, it's disgusting, it's deeply disturbing, it's all of that and more, but I feel that none of that really does it justice, and certainly doesn't do justice to what I feel, and I know all of us feel about that. I have, as many of us do, I have many friends and constituents within the Muslim community, so I know and I see firsthand the impact that this kind of prejudice, hate, discrimination has on them, and I feel so deeply for every single one of them. And I do think it's very important for us to recognise that these are attacks directed at the Muslim community, and none of us can pretend to know exactly how that feels, but all of us should be absolutely clear when we say that these attacks on the Muslim community or on any individual Muslim we treat as attacks on all of us. This is, for all our political divisions and debates, this is one Scotland, and anybody who chooses to live here, no matter their faith, no matter the country they come from, this is their country, it is their home, we value them, we want them here, and that is the message that should ring out from this Parliament. So whatever else divides us, let us be absolutely united in saying that those who perpetrate hate crime, because that's what it is, hate crime of this nature, will never ever be allowed to win, because Scotland will stand united against them, and it is that unity that will always prevail.